Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to avoid crypto scams. Many of you are falling victim of crypto scam, especially in Nigeria and Africa. Many people are not educated about crypto, so that is why they find themselves falling into these scams. Now, the number one way to avoid crypto scam is number one, research everything. Many people don't research. All they do is to carry their money and start investing. I don't know why you will carry your hard-earned money to start investing in a project that you don't know anything about, and you don't know anything about the project. You are putting your hard-earned money there, because at the end of the day you will end up losing your money, and when you lose your money you will not start doing the research. That is what a lot of crypto investors do. When they lose their money, they will start doing research about the company, something that you are supposed to do before investing your money. You are not doing it when you have lost your money. So this is very, very important. Before you can take any of your money, before you take any of your hard-earned money to put into a project, make sure you research everything. Research the project, research the name, research those that are the developers, research everything about the project before you carry your hard-earned money to invest. The number two on this list is identify pump and dump. Now, pump and dump, how does it happen? It happens mostly on Telegram and on WhatsApp group. You will see people that will come and tell you, especially crypto influencers, they will come and tell you that you should put your money here, put your money here, and this crypto is going to double, it's going to times 10, it's going to times 20. Okay, look at what they do. By the time they will now use their own money, first of all, they will use their own money to pump the crypto, pump it a little bit, and then you now go and put your own money there. By the time you put your own money there, they will withdraw everything, they will liquidate immediately. By the time they liquidate, your money will go down. And examples of this kind of cryptos, there are many of them. It has happened in so many projects. So people tend to lose their money. You go, they will tell you, when you put your money on this, especially for example, you saw what happened with Luna. A lot of people put their money, and at the end of the day, the crypto liquidate. All the investors, everybody log out, and when they log out, a lot of people lost their money. So for you to avoid falling victim in all these crypto scams, make sure you identify pump and dump, especially when you are being pressurized, because they always come and tell you put this money. They will tell their followers put your money here, invest your money here. They will be telling you, they will be seeing other projects that are doing well, but they will not advise you to put your money on those projects. They will come with meme coin, they will come with different kind of projects, telling you that this project is going to times two. If you have done this before putting your money, you would have find out what their intention is. But many people don't do this, and when they don't do this, they will find themselves in this situation where the crypto influencers will pump the coin. By the time they pump the coin, they pump the price, people put their money, they will withdraw their money, and they will be dead immediately. It has happened to so many projects. Then the third one is secure your personal key and wallet. Now, many people don't know how to secure their wallet. All they do is they buy coin, they put the some people use Google Drive to save their wallet, and that is very, very bad. Saving your wallet in Google Drive, anything can happen. You can lose access to your Google Drive, and so anybody that have access to your Google Drive can log into your wallet and withdraw your money. So for you to avoid all these things, you can write your key phrase down, you can write it down, you can type it and print it out, and make sure you have a hard copy, or you can put it in a flash drive. Make sure that you are the only one that have access to that flash drive. That is how you can protect your keys and wallet. Now, the fourth one on the list is to identify and avoid phishing. Now, identify and avoid phishing, it has to do with the website. Some people can impersonate. There are some crypto promoters that will impersonate another popular crypto promoter, and they will use it to scam you. So identify and avoid phishing. So how can you identify and avoid phishing? Is when you do research. When you do research on that particular project, that is when you can avoid this. Now, the last one on my list is cultivate a skeptical mindset and ignore fear of missing out. You see this particular thing, fear of missing out. this particular thing has made a lot of people to lose money in investment. In fact, generally investment, because they will tell you that if you don't invest the money now, you are going to miss out. The profit is going to times 10, it's going to times 20, it's going to do that. And some of them will come online and use the popular celebrities to do this. Sometimes they use popular celebrities to do this and everybody will go and put their money. By the time you put your money, everything will just collapse. Example of this kind of a thing is MMM. When MMM happened here in Nigeria, a lot of people put their money in MMM and before you know it, the whole thing was a scam and people lose their money. So make sure you cultivate this habit, make sure you cultivate it. And for you to be able to cultivate it, like this number one here is very, very important. If you can do this before doing any of this, you will find out that you will not be scammed. You will not be a victim of crypto scam. You will not find yourself losing your money. That is how you can avoid all this. So guys, if you know you learned something from this video, make sure you drop your comment on the comment section and make sure you like this video so that I can create more videos like this. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.